My name is Ruth Warren, and this is an introduction to intramembranous ossification. Intramembranous ossification is the formation of flat bones. Intramembranous means within a membrane or selective barrier. Ossification means the process of making new bone. This process occurs in connective tissue, which is essentially living cells in a non-living matrix. In this matrix are mesenchymal cells and collagen fibers. Mesenchymal cells are stem cells that differentiate into many cells. In this case, the mesenchymal cells become osteoblasts. These cells are the key to any bone formation. The name osteoblast essentially means bone builder. These osteoblasts gather together in clusters within the fibrous connective tissues and form an ossification center. It's from this central gathering that the process of ossification begins. Within the osteoblast, spicules develop. The spicules together within the bone matrix trap the osteoblasts in the lacunae. The lacunae are small cocoons that hold the osteoblast. Osteoblasts release an uncalcified matrix known as osteoids. The osteoids are calcified by calcium ions with the enzyme alkaline phosphatase that catalyzes the calcification. Once the bone is ossified, the osteoblasts remove the calcium, leaving behind small channels called canaliculi. The initial bone formed is spongy bone and is given that name because it is soft and porous. Osteons, the most fundamental part of a bone, through the process of bone remodeling, removes bone and forms new bone tissue. The osteons line the perimeter of spongy bone and form compact bone. The compact bone is much harder and denser than spongy bone as it forms a covering. The spicules also trap blood vessels that supply the bone with oxygen and nutrients, as well as provide a means for eliminating waste. Surrounding the bone is a layer called periosteum that forms from vascularized mesenchymal cells that condense on the outside of the bone. This combination of spongy bone covered by compact bone forms flat bones. Within these bones, medullary cavities are formed that contain red or yellow bone marrow. This process continues until fetal skull bone, mandible, and clavicle are formed. This is just one process of the intricate and mysterious development of human life.